Today is the day that the smartphone game changes. In front of me, I have the future, and it's in the form of the Find X. This thing's been top secret, and for good reason, because it changes everything. This is the stuff I've been talking about in my videos. This is the stuff I've been looking for, and you too. Everybody's been asking for innovation in the phone game, and not just some concept, but a thing I can buy right now, a thing you can buy right now, so that you can put the future in your pocket. The Find X from OppO. You can see the packaging, very slick, but you care about what's inside, so let's do it. Ooh. I happen to know that we are looking at an extreme. The screen to body ratio, according to OppO, an astonishing 93.8%. SIM tool, little bit of paperwork, an audio adapter, a set of earbuds, Type-C to keep it charged up. Of course, it's got fast charging through this brick right here, and this cable, it's VOOC. Okay, now it's time for the main attraction, and I know you're screaming. Turn it on. I want to see this all-screen design. This one is called Bordeaux Red. There will be another color as well, which is going to be more of a blue. And then on top of that, there's even going to be a completely over-the-top Lamborghini version of this device. This is covered in Gorilla Glass 5 on both the back as well as the front. Look at how slim that bezel is. No notch, no kind of weird cutout at all. And I know that's giving you questions right now. You're like, how is that possible? Where's the camera? This is supposed to be the future, like I told you at the beginning of this video. So of course, we're gonna find out. You see what I did there, Jack? Find X, find out. That's why you come to Unbox Therapy in the first place. You need to find out. The latest, the greatest. I bring it to you. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm not gonna mention any other brands out there, but I'm just saying. You're telling me this is not it? You're telling me that's not the future? Continue. Oh! Did you see the thing, Jack? What? So they've hidden two lenses and a flash. Look at the design. The way that comes up. And then down. Let's do it again. Two lenses and a flash. Just real slick. That is futuristic. Inspector Gadget, it's what I've always wanted because the look is clean. They used it as a design element. They could have easily just had some box come up from the top, but they didn't. Just like that. It's gonna uncover the front-facing camera and sensors as well. Whoa. Oh, baby. That is crazy cool. All right, so it's not just about this incredible screen-to-body ratio. OppO is also very proud of the tech that's hidden in that section that comes up, the motorized section there, including their 3D facial recognition for unlocking the device. Now, OppO claims that recognition has a failure rate of 1 in 1 million compared to like a fingerprint, which is somewhere in the neighborhood of 1 in 50,000. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and enroll my face here. Oh, so satisfying. All right, so this section on the top is not just a front-facing camera. In fact, if I give you the right reflection, let me show Jack here, some other sensors over here, there's a bunch of them. There's a flood illuminator, an infrared camera, proximity sensor, dot projector, receiver, and RGB camera. It's all hidden in there. This is packing a Snapdragon 845. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, a surprising 3730 milliamp hour battery. I told you about the dual SIM capabilities, and then of course the camera, which is the obvious next place to go. I have a plant, this wonderful model here. We'll see if the camera can figure out what this is. The thing is, with this level of detail, you can definitely tell that's a fake plant and I have not been watering it. Quick little portrait of my sidekick here. How freaky is that thing? Picked up portrait there. It knows we are taking a picture of a face. Boom. There you go, Jack. Are you happy now? Thank you very much for your service. No mannequins were harmed during the production of this episode. Now, of course, it wouldn't be an Unbox Therapy video without a quick selfie test. We'll see how the beard hairs show up and so on. Look at this, guys. Beautifying to the next level. 3D face beautifying. Oh, I'm looking more beautiful already. Flawless. Instagram will never be the same. The real me, ugly. The new me, beautiful. All right, let's try one not beauty because I'm a realistic guy. The truth. Ooh, now that's a selfie anyway. I'm happy with it. The beard hair test, there it is. Can you count individual beard hairs? Yes, you can. You think a few people would download this wallpaper? Have a couple nightmares real quick? Screen to body ratio though. It's all face. I do feel the need to let you know at this point, I can't really deeply evaluate the phone because this is an early model, an engineering sample, something they got to me before the retail launch. Now I realize at this point, I haven't told you how to navigate the phone. It's all about screen to body ratio. You can't really have buttons or you wouldn't want to. So instead, it's a gesture-based setup. Swiping up from the right-hand side acts as back. If you want to go home, you swipe up from the center. And then of course there's multitasking as well. You just sort of hold and then scroll through like this. But really what this thing is all about is the display. 6.42 inches. It's got AMOLED technology and it's actually manufactured by Samsung. The resolution 1080p. So on the sides of the device, you're looking at 1.65 millimeters of bezel. On the top, 1.91, and then the chin a little bit more at 3.4 millimeters. You don't get a gigantic phone, but you get a ton of screen. Okay, so look, this is very new. It just got announced. The device is not ready for a full evaluation. This is more of an introduction. So the battle right now is in the realm of screen to body ratio, and to this point, I have seen nothing this impressive in that department. The OppO Find X Jack, what do you think? Is it the future? I do believe so. Incredible screen to body ratio. And don't forget the very cool Rise Up sensor system as well as cameras. A crazy, unique, amazing implementation. And where did you find out about it? On Unbox Therapy. That's where.